Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and in this video, I am going to give you a quick update on the Bitcoin price. Right now, I am on the 4-hour time frame. Bitcoin has been in the downtrend for some time. This is a very nasty downtrend because Bitcoin has broken all support below the price. But there is one more support that if it actually gets broken, then we may be in it for a very long ride to the downside. Now let's bring out our drawings. Now if you look closely, you'd see that this support at around 39,400 was broken and all other supports were demolished. As you can see, the price is just violating every support it can find. So this is very bad. Understand? This means that we could go much lower in the Bitcoin price. There is one more line that can still hold, but if this line gets taken out, that's the end. We could have a nasty ride to the downside, like so deep. We could have a drop all the way to the $20,000 level. Now, if we go over to the daily time frame, you would see that Bitcoin hasn't closed a daily candle below this last support, approximately 33,400. So, if Bitcoin breaks this last support, we could go all the way to this $26,400 level. So that's just the plain analysis. If this happens, this is going to happen. There's no two ways about that because this shows that it is creating a lower low, understand, based on candle body closes. And once we get to this level, the price could bounce from this region or it could just slash through this support and we could go much lower in the price chart. I don't necessarily think that that's going to happen until we break this last support. So just keep a close eye on this last support on the daily time frame. Once we break this last support, then that's just it. The only bullish thing I can see right now is that on the weekly time frame, the oscillators are oversold. Now these are the oscillators on the weekly time frame. As you can see, it's just going around in the oversold region. What this means is that at some point these oscillators will start to head in the upward direction. When that happens, the price also would move to the upward direction. Before then, we would have to wait and watch the price charts. I would give you an update in a later video if there is any price change in this Bitcoin price chart. But for now, this is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.